Hi everyone, we have the David Bowie litter. They're making their video debut. Let's see. Really? Okay. Get my hand in here. Now this girl, this is Rebel. She's, I think, going to be a black smoke and white. And up here front and center, this is Changes. Changes is the sable in white. Hello, Changes. Okay, let's share the spotlight. This girl here, come in here. Let's see. This is Fashion. Fashion has a cute little white tip tail. Changes, it's not your turn. This guy here. Oh, oh my goodness. This guy here. This is Major Tom. He's a brown tabby in white. This girl chilling out. This is Fame. She's a sable in white. Okay. Who's this one? Who are you? Oh, Changes. We've seen you before. Where's Hero? Okay. This guy here is Hero. He's another sable in white. And this guy. Oh. This is Ziggy. Ziggy is a sable tabby in white. They're a little over 3 weeks old. These guys were slow to open their eyes. Ziggy was the last one. And he opened his eyes 2 days ago. So he was like, I think, 3 weeks and a day, or 3 weeks and 2 days. Anyway, they're keeping me busy. But there's not too much to see yet. I mean, they're still pretty little. Right. You guys are little. Yes. Rebel. They're all pretty little. And I have an escape artist. Who's my escape artist? Who's trying to escape? Changes. Of course it's you. Of course it's you. Oh, Hero, you too? Oh. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.